Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to pause all notifications on Instagram. Sometimes, you don't want your phone to go off every few seconds, especially if you're trying to conserve battery power. Not only that, it can be super distracting, so if you're trying to do other work, socialize, or anything else, that constantly vibrating and chiming phone can become a real annoyance. Instagram gives you the opportunity to pause the notifications for a while, in the app itself. If you use this, you're not turning them off permanently. You're just pausing them, so your phone doesn't go off every few minutes. So, let's take a look at how you do it. How to pause all notifications on Instagram. You will want to start by heading to the Instagram app and clicking on the tab that takes you to your profile. Next, look for the hamburger menu, which is the three-lined menu you can see in the top right-hand side of my screen. If you have an Android phone, or a different operating system, your screen might look a little different to mine. It also might look different if either Instagram or the Apple operating system has been updated since this video was published. Anyway, once you've hit the hamburger menu and it has popped up from the bottom, the next option you'll want to select is Settings. And then, you'll want to look for the option that says Notifications. The very first option on this screen is the one you'll want to pause all notifications, and it simply says, Pause all. That's one of the best things about the Instagram app, I think. Everything is clearly labeled and quite easy to find. I recommend having a good look around in your settings from time to time. You never know what interesting stuff you might find. This is what the switch will look like when you have the pause option turned off. All of my notifications come through as they usually would. If I turn the switch the other way, you'll see that it switches end and turns blue. At the same time, a small pop-up appears. It says,
You won't receive push notifications, but you'll be able to see new notifications when you open Instagram.
You are also given the opportunity to pause notifications for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. You can also cancel and leave things as they are. When the time runs out, nothing happens. By that I mean, you won't get a notification telling you that Instagram is turning the notifications back on, or anything like that. Instead, your notifications will return to how they were before you paused them. You'll get notifications for likes, comments, new follows, etc., if you have those options turned on. I'll go through the individual push notifications in future videos, so keep your eyes peeled for those. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're interested in learning more. Turning on notifications will also make sure that you don't miss my new videos when they are released. And that's how easy it is to pause all notifications on Instagram. It's good for your mental health, your social life, your personal and social relationships, your concentration levels, and much more. Why not try it for a few hours and see how you get on? You never know, you might even like it. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.